Hey mama, welcome to day one of the 14-day Naptime Income Starter Challenge. Today is all about momentum, not perfection. If you take the steps in this video, you'll end today with a real product, a real link, and your first piece of content already posted. That means you're actually in the game. You're not preparing, you're doing. So let's keep this super simple. There are only 4 things you need to make your first dollar online: a simple product, a simple delivery system, a simple intro post, and 0 perfectionism. That's it. Not a website, not a giant funnel, not a massive following. So let's walk through today's steps. Step 1, choose or create your product. You have 3 options here and all of them work. Just pick one and move forward. Option A, use the $9 starter product. These are done for you digital products you're allowed to resell immediately, no creation required. This is the fastest path because the hard part is already done for you and you can get 100% profit. Option B, create a quick guide or checklist. This could literally be a 1-page PDF solving a tiny problem your people have. Don't overthink it. Option C, promote an affiliate product. Find a product or course you love and promote it online to make a commission. No matter which option you choose, remember, your first product doesn't need to be perfect. It just needs to exist. Step 2, fix your bio. Your bio is the first thing people see when they check out your profile. We want it simple and clear. Here's the template. I help target market with simple result using your approach. Examples: I help busy mamas make simple income from home using digital products. I help women reduce stress with a quick daily wellness routine. I help new mamas feel strong again with simple at-home workouts. Pick the version that fits your niche and your product. This takes 30 seconds and makes a huge difference. Step 3, upload your product to a delivery system. We're keeping this unbelievably simple. Your 2 best options are System, recommended because emailing plus delivery is built in. Beacon, super simple if you need a fast store. Upload your product, set your price, connect your email delivery, and you're done. After this step, you officially have something people can buy. This is where most people get stuck, so don't overthink it. Just get it live. Step 4, create your About Me intro post. Now that you have a product and a link, we're going to get your first post out into the world. This isn't a sales post, it's simply you showing up as a human. Use this 3-sentence template. Here's what I've struggled with. Here's what I'm learning now. Here's who I want to help. Examples: after becoming a mom, I felt totally overwhelmed trying to figure out how to earn from home. I've been learning simple ways to make money online without burning out. I'm sharing everything I learned to help other mamas feel more supported and empowered. Or, I've spent months drowning in information and not knowing where to start. Now I'm learning to take simple steps that actually move things forward. I want to help other women skip the overwhelm and get straight to the good stuff. Record it as a 10 to 20 second reel or write it as a simple text-based post. Doesn't matter. What matters is you post it today. If you want access to the rest of the free 14-day Naptime Income Starter Challenge, you find it inside the Balanced Mom Boss Hub. The link is below in the description.